Welcome to my VEED vs InVideo usage experience. In this video, we'll compare two powerful video editing platforms, VEED and InVideo. Links to both products are provided in the description below for easy access. Both platforms are designed to help users create professional-looking videos with minimal effort, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. VEED is known for its intuitive interface aimed at beginners and those who need quick results without the steep learning curve. It offers a range of tools like subtitle generation, text animations, and background noise removal, all easily accessible in the browser. VEED is ideal for people looking for straightforward editing with a focus on simplicity and speed. On the other hand, InVideo offers more advanced features, making it better suited for users who require more control over their videos. It provides a vast library of templates, allowing users to create anything from promotional videos to social media content. InVideo also allows for deeper customization with a greater range of transitions, stock footage, and audio options. Its timeline editor is more complex, which can be a plus for those familiar with video editing, but it might feel overwhelming for beginners. Both platforms offer cloud-based solutions, making collaboration seamless, and they both have free versions with limited features. However, VEED's free plan is more restrictive in terms of export quality, while InVideo gives you more flexibility for free users. When it comes to pricing, VEED offers competitive plans starting at a lower cost, but InVideo provides more comprehensive packages that give users access to a larger variety of assets and tools. In conclusion, if you're a beginner or someone who needs quick and simple video edits, VEED is a great choice. But if you need more advanced tools, templates, and customization options, InVideo is the way to go. Both are excellent options depending on your editing needs.